Weird gadgets on Amazon that are actually useful. Have you ever scrolled through Amazon only to stumble upon some of the most bizarre and seemingly useless gadgets? You might have found yourself wondering who would actually buy these strange contraptions. Well, some of these gadgets are actually surprisingly useful. Welcome to Best Cool Tech. And today, we've scoured Amazon to bring you the quirkiest yet most practical gadgets that you never knew you needed. An umbrella for your phone. Hey, have you ever found yourself squinting at your phone screen while scrolling through social media on a bright sunny day? I know I have, but what if I told you there's a gadget out there that can provide some shade for your phone? That's right, it's an umbrella for your phone. This may sound like a ridiculous idea, but it's actually pretty handy, especially when you're lounging by the pool or spending the day at the beach. You simply attach the tiny umbrella to the back of your phone and voila! No more struggling to see your screen in the blinding sunlight. Plus, think of all the envy-inducing Instagram photos you can snap with your new phone umbrella. So if you're tired of squinting at your phone on sunny days, give the phone an umbrella and try to see if it makes a difference for you. A wearable neck fan. The scorching heat of summer can make even the simplest tasks feel like a chore. But what if you could have a personal cooling device that would make hot days more tolerable? Introducing the Wearable Neck Fan, a device that promises to keep you cool and comfortable all day long. This bladeless neck fan comes equipped with 2 turbo motors and 60 dedicated air outlets, providing up to 9 hours of cooling power on a single charge. Simply strap it around your neck, adjust the fan speed to your liking, and enjoy a constant stream of refreshing air that will help you beat the heat. While some may scoff at the idea of wearing a neck fan, the benefits are undeniable. Not only does it provide instant relief from hot temperatures, but it also keeps your hands free from other activities. Whether you're mowing the lawn, going for a walk, or simply lounging outside, the wearable neck fan can help you stay cool and comfortable all summer long. Finger covers for messy food. Finger covers for messy food may seem like an unusual gadget, but they can actually come in handy for those who love snacking on messy foods but hate the aftermath of stained fingers. These covers are made of food-grade silicone, making them safe to use with any type of food. To use them, simply slip the covers over your fingertips to create a protective barrier between your hands and messy foods such as Cheetos and Doritos. This means you can indulge in your favorite snacks without having to worry about washing away the stains later. In addition to being a snack time lifesaver, these finger covers can also be used as finger guards during food prep. They'll protect your fingers from cuts and burns while chopping and handling hot ingredients. You may feel a bit silly wearing them at first, but the convenience they offer is definitely worth it. Next up, a waterproof phone viewer for your shower. If you're someone who loves to stay connected to their phone at all times, even while in the shower, then you'll definitely want to check out this waterproof phone viewer. This nifty gadget lets you bring your phone into the shower with you, so you can keep streaming your favorite shows or music without missing a beat. One of the standout features of this device is its reliable seal, which ensures that your phone stays completely dry and protected from water damage. And even with all the steam from the shower, you can still enjoy a clear view of your screen thanks to the anti-fog window. Using this waterproof phone viewer is incredibly easy. Simply insert your phone into the case and use the adjustable strap to secure it in place. The device is compatible with most smartphones and has a universal design that fits a variety of different phone sizes. With this waterproof phone viewer, you no longer have to dread your daily shower routine. You can now catch up on your favorite shows or stay connected with loved ones, all while enjoying a refreshing shower. Beard Trimming Bib. If you're tired of cleaning up a mess every time you clean your beard or get a haircut, a beard trimming bib might just be the solution you've been looking for. This innovative gadget is designed to catch all of the hair that falls while you're grooming yourself, so it doesn't end up all over your sink and counter. The beard trimming bib is incredibly easy to use. It secures behind your neck with adjustable straps and then attaches to your mirror via built-in suction cups. Once it's in place, you can go about your grooming routine without worrying about making a mess. As you trim or cut your hair, all the clippings will fall into the bib, which will then collect them for easy disposal. Not only does the beard trimming bib save you time and hassle when it comes to cleaning up after yourself, but it also helps to keep your bathroom looking neat and tidy. A salt gun for shooting houseflies. If you're tired of using traditional fly swatters to rid your home of pesky houseflies, then the Bug Assault gun might be just what you need. This unique gadget uses a single piece of salt to shoot flies with impressive accuracy. It might seem like a silly purchase, but in the height of summer, when the flies are out in force, you'll be grateful for the Bug Assault's ability to quickly and easily dispatch these unwanted pests. The gun works by using a pump-action system to shoot a pinch of salt at high velocity, effectively killing the fly on impact. Not only is this method surprisingly effective, but it's also much more hygienic than using a fly swatter, which can leave behind a mess and spread germs. The Bug Assault gun is also a lot of fun to use. There's something oddly satisfying about hitting your target with a single shot of salt. And with its sleek design, the gun looks more like a cool gadget than a fly-killing tool. Slippers that clean the floors. Slippers are a common household item that we all wear to keep our feet warm and cozy. But what if we told you that there are slippers out there that can also help clean your floors? Yep, you heard that right. These slippers feature microfiber mop bottoms that work to clean your floors as you walk around the house. The microfiber material is safe for any smooth floor surface and provides excellent water absorption to make cleaning a breeze. And when the mop bottoms get dirty, you can easily detach them from the slippers and toss them in the washing machine. These slippers not only keep your feet comfortable, but also keep your floors spotless without any extra effort on your part. So why settle for regular slippers when you can have ones that multitask and save you time and energy? Try out these innovative slippers today and enjoy the benefits of clean floors with every step you take. Wine condoms. Wine lovers rejoice because there's a new gadget on the market that promises to keep your opened bottles fresh for longer. Introducing wine condoms, a unique and innovative way to seal your wine bottles with a leak-proof, airtight seal. Made of food-grade 100% rubber latex, these condoms may seem like a novelty, but they're actually extremely useful for regular wine drinkers. One of the biggest challenges with storing open bottles is finding a bottle stopper that doesn't leak or add too much length to the top of the bottle, making it difficult to place upright in the fridge. With wine condoms, however, you can easily seal up any open bottle and place it in the fridge either upright or lying on its side without worrying about spills or leaks. The shrink-to-fit technology of wine condoms allows them to conform to any size bottleneck, creating a snug and secure seal that keeps your wine fresh for days. Horizontal lazy reading glasses. If you're someone who enjoys reading or watching TV in bed, you know the struggle of trying to get comfortable while propping up pillows or twisting your neck into awkward positions. That's where the horizontal lazy reading glasses come in. These unique glasses feature mirrors that turn your view to a downward 90-degree angle, eliminating the need for head movement. This means that you can comfortably read or watch TV without straining your eyes or neck. The glasses are perfect for anyone who likes to read or watch TV in bed, but they can also be useful for other activities such as crafting or working on a laptop. They're also a great alternative for people who struggle with traditional reading glasses or have trouble holding books or tablets at the right angle. So, don't judge a gadget by its weird appearance, as some of the most unconventional devices can actually be incredibly useful. Have you ever stumbled upon a weird gadget on Amazon that turned out to be surprisingly useful? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and be sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. See you in the next video.